Hello, everybody. Welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and I am going to start with the program number 5 in this playlist. This is going to be the program number 5. We have already created 4 programs in the Java 19 playlist. So, if you have not watched the previous videos, kindly watch it because I have discussed many concepts also. In this video, I am going to talk about that how you can take input of a string and character also. So we will see 2-3 programs in this video. So stay tuned till the end without skipping. I am just going to create another program, that is program number 5.java. How to take input, that all I have already discussed in the previous videos. So make sure that you have watched them. If you want to take input of a strings, so simply there is a direct way to do that. If you are working with the different data types, let me tell you once again. I have already discussed this in the previous videos, but yeah, at a glance, I am telling. If you want to take input of integer, you take nextInt function, nextInt method from the scanner class. If you want to work with the float data type, so you take next float method from the scanner class. If you want to work with the double data type, so you take next double method from the scanner class. Now, if you want to work with the string data type, so you have to take next. Okay, so there is more into it, but that I am going to tell you in this particular program. So here I am just taking like import java.util.scanner, and we have imported the scanner class, so we will be able to take input public static void main. I am creating the object of the scanner class first of all, and system.in, and then I am taking here string name. Let's say we want to take input of a name, so I'm asking the user to enter the name or enter your name. Now here I'm taking name equals to ob.next, only next, and let's run this program. So here I'm taking java c space pro 5.java. So here enter, then java space pro 5. So if it is asking to enter your name and I'm giving enter of my like entering my name, so here it is simply not printing my name because we have not printed it. So let's print it also. And here I am printing the name with the name variable. Okay. And whenever you make changes to the code, make sure that you recompile it. So here I have recompiled it, and now, so here it is printed. So whatever name you want to take input, it is taking. But if I take my name, full name here, so here you can see it is not able to print my full name. It is printing only the first name, and after the space, it is not able to print the values. That means when you are taking next method to take input, so it is not able to count the spaces. So what can be done to take space also? In that case, here you have to take next line. Mark it what I am saying. If you are taking next, so you will be able to take input of a word. But if you want to include spaces also, so you will be taking input of, like you will be taking next line here. So let's see how it is working. Java C space pro 5.java and Java space pro 5. Now Aman Kumar Singh. One name with two spaces, like 3 words. Here you can see we are able to print it. And Ekta Pandey, you can see full names are getting printed. Kansha Singh. So you can see whatever names we are taking, we are able to print the complete names without any problem with the spaces, whatever number of words you are having. So this way, with the help of nextLine method, which is present in the scanner class, you can take input of a complete word with spaces. If you want to take spaces, if you want to take input of a statement, you can say, where are multiple words, that is a statement. So you can simply use nextLine. But in case you want to work with a single word, so that time you can take next. So it will be not able to take input of more than one word. Simply, let me show you once again. So this next will be not able to take input of more than one word. and Java space Pro 5. So now Suman Yadav. So only Suman is getting printed. Tanu Mishra. Only Tanu is getting printed because we have taken here next. Okay, I hope this is clear. In case you have any doubt, you can simply ask it in the comment section. I will be definitely helping you out. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. How to take input of a character, that I will be telling in the next video. So stay tuned, and if you are new to this channel, subscribe the channel and press the notification bell. Because after pressing the notification bell, you will start getting the notifications of my latest uploads. See you in the next video.